Guys, continuing with our series, we are looking into Sushant and his girlfriend's relationship. Let's see what kind of relationship Sushant was having with his girlfriend, with his last girlfriend Riya. This is my Wildwood Tarot deck, and we are looking into asking our angels to help us know what is the relationship that Sushant and Riya had, and more importantly what angels want us to know, right? Because this is basically uh, trying to get into somebody's relationship, trying to see through it, and this is not something that tarot really allows. But if there is something that angels want us to know, then it will come across, and if they don't want us to know, then it will not come. Okay, it's a free will. So let's request our angels and see if our angels want us to know what went between them. So dear angels, please tell us what is that you want us to know about relationship between Sushant and Riya. Okay, so we are doing this live, and please tell us anything that you want us to know about Sushant and Riya's relationship. All right. The ancestors. Ancestors in reverse, which clearly means that his family was not really fine with this relationship. So you have this ancestor card, if you see, and it is in reverse order. The family was not happy with this relationship. His the magic, you got the magic card, magician. Let's look into it. Five of arrows, five of sword, which means that there was a lot of this is a five of sword card, which is all about ego, about conflicts. It is about mean games. It is about everything that could go bad in a relationship. Okay, so this is what is coming out in his relationship with Riya. Moon, water. He was not very happy with how things were moving. uh, he was feeling very depressed. There was a major setback in this relationship. Four of Pentacles in reverse. The Great Bear. So what I'm getting from the cards is that he really wanted this relationship to work. He did everything for this relationship. You have got a magician का card यहाँ पे, which means that magician वो होता है टैरो में जो हर चीज़ करता है अपने dreams को पाने के लिए. So he was probably doing everything in this relationship to make this relationship work. Okay, and as we have got to know with things unraveling that there were he had bought companies in her name, which really means that yes, he was doing everything for this girl, for this lady, to make this relationship work, to prove his love for her. He was not leaving any stones unturned to keep her happy, but his family was not happy with this relationship. And five of sword clearly means that everything was not fine at the undercurrent of this relationship. Everything was not good, and there were ego games. There was agenda behind this relationship. um, People were not as the people were not as they showed them to be. ठीक है, तो आप अगर ये देख रहे हो तो इस इमेज से ही आपको पता चल जाएगा कि किस तरह का रिलेशनशिप था यहाँ पे. ये रिलेशनशिप एक पर्सनल मोटिव के लिए था, एक एजेंडा के लिए था, एक सेल्फिश रीज़न के लिए अगर आप देखो तो ऐसे लग रहा था. क्योंकि अब क्लियरली देखो यहाँ पे एक जो ये डियर है, इसको हंट किया जा रहा है। तो इसी तरह का हमें पता भी चला है, बिकॉज एवरीथिंग यू वांट दिस डियर फॉर योर ओन पर्सनल गेन, तो सब तरह से अटैक हो रहा है। तो मुझे लगता है कि ये रिलेशनशिप इज लाइक रियली the last nail which really brought Sushant down. He was hunted in this relationship is what I am getting. बहुत सारा चीज़ उनसे हाइड किया गया था. A lot of things were uh, hidden from him. It was a game going on which he was not aware of. He was not aware that he is being hunted in this relationship. He was completely unaware. क्योंकि he is doing everything for this relationship, okay? He is doing everything possible. He bought the companies, made them the directors, and even though this girl is, I think, she's quite a struggling actor, is what I know, and still this A-lister actor that he was doing everything for this girl, and he never knew that this lady is hunting him, and the way the connection of this actress has come to fore with all the other directors, Bukesh Bhatt and all those people. It clearly means that she is somewhat involved in his fate, in his plight, in what he faced in his life. So she is somewhere responsible for hunting him, okay, and he was completely not aware of this. um, but yes, his family was not happy with this relationship, and again फिर से अगर आप देखिए तो एक मून का कार्ड आ रहा है, यूके मून नाइन्थ, ओके, अगेन टुवर्ड्स द एंड ऑफ इट, when this he was not happy with this relationship. This relationship had left him feeling very, एक सैड फीलिंग जो होता है कि ओके फाइन. If you remember my last reading on Kriti, it was like he was looking forward to a new relationship which he can really trust on which he can, he was looking for a relationship where he can connect at a very soul level, emotional level, like emotional support mile unhe. And probably this was the third relationship after Kirti Sanan, so he was really looking forward to this relationship. और जैसा मैंने बताया कि he was doing everything in this relationship to make it work, but यहाँ पे लोगों का agenda था, egos था, he was being hunted and he was not aware of it. And finally इनका दिल टूट गया, okay, in a big way. This is not some small disappointment. He was really disheartened. His emotional side really hit the rock bottom, okay, hit the rock bottom. He was very emotionally impacted by this situation. उनका एक shadow side, he went inside his shadow side, okay, जहाँ पे he was thinking a lot, or even if he was trying to come out of it, he was not able to come out of it because he was so impacted. Because you remember the last reading, he was really looking forward to some relationship जहाँ पे वो एक emotional strength मिले उनको दूसरे partner से. बस यहाँ पे भी उनको, even though उन्होंने सब चीज़ किया इस relationship के लिए, पर उनको वो results नहीं मिला, okay. So this is really sad. If you see, he was really disheartened with the whole episode, that even though he did everything for this woman or whatever, this person, he couldn't get what he wanted. He couldn't get the support. And then he was like he wanted to, शुरू में तो ये काफ़ी he wanted to hold on to this relationship. He really wanted to make, even though he started with a bang, he really wanted to do everything to please this woman, to woo her woman, to take her heart, get her love and everything. But यहाँ पे कुछ और ही एजेंडा था लोगों का. They were, hand in gloves with everybody and hunting him. Family was never in favor of this relationship. Finally, at the end of the day, he was left feeling very saddened by this relationship. His emotions were not fulfilled. जिसका होप लेके ये इस रिलेशनशिप को इन्होंने स्टार्ट किया था और इस रिलेशनशिप के लिए उन्होंने सब चीज़ किया था, ओके. अगर आप देख रहे हो तो he was left very, सोच विचार में लग गए थे, try to come out of it. और इनिशियली तो ये इन्होंने कोशिश किया कि इस रिलेशनशिप को बचा पाएँ, होल्ड ऑन टू दिस रिलेशनशिप, लेकिन बाद में फिर उन्होंने छोड़ दिया. इट वॉज लाइक कि नो, ही कैनॉट होल्ड ऑन टू दिस वेरी मटीरियलिस्टिक रिलेशनशिप. ओके, इनको बाद में लगा कि ये रिलेशनशिप इतना डीप नहीं है जितना इन्होंने सोचा था, और जितना इन्होंने इस रिलेशनशिप के लिए किया उनको उतना डेप्थ इस रिलेशनशिप में नज़र नहीं आया. ओके, एंड क्वाइट यहाँ पे एक रिलेशनशिप का एंड दिख रहा है यहाँ पे. इट ही स्टार्टेड विद अ बैंग. नंबर 1 से स्टार्ट हो गया नंबर 2 पे, तो ये बिल्कुल एक क्लोजर पे आ गया है. ओके, एंड ही वॉज रियली थिंकिंग अबाउट दिस रिलेशनशिप कि कहाँ है, क्या करूँ नहीं करूँ. एक इंट्रोस्पेक्शन यहाँ पे मैंने बताया कि एक शैडो साइड में वो चले गए थे बिकॉज ऑफ जैसा उनके साथ ट्रीटमेंट हो रहा था, या फिर जैसा भी एक सीन उभर के आ रहा था इस रिलेशनशिप में. बिकॉज इन्होंने सब चीज़ किया है इस रिलेशनशिप को, तो उनको समझ नहीं आ रहा था कि क्या करें. कुछ तो मिसिंग है इसमें, आर्टिफिशियल है क्या है, इनको पता नहीं. कुछ तो मिसिंग है, कुछ गड़बड़ है, ऐसा उनको फील हो रहा था. लेकिन एक हंटेड हो रहे हैं, ये तो उन्होंने नहीं सोचा होगा कि ही इज़ बीइंग हंटेड. तो ये एक अंदर का मीनिंग आ रहा है. पर बहुत होल्ड ऑन किया उन्होंने इस रिलेशनशिप को, पर इंट्रोस्पेक्शन के बाद शायद वो इस रिलेशनशिप को, ही वॉज अबाउट टू गिव अप ऑन दिस रिलेशनशिप, एंड देन वी सी ऑल दीज थिंग्स हैपनिंग. So let's pick other cards and see what more we can get insights for this. God's goddesses, angels, archangels, spirit guides, spirit guides.